Have you ever had one of those days where, on paper, everything is actually okay? You have a roof over your head, you have food, maybe you even have a good job or people who love you. But for some reason, you just don't feel it. You feel flat. You feel like you're watching your own life through a foggy window. You see other people laughing and getting excited about small things, and you wonder, what am I missing? Why can't my brain just let me be happy? If that sounds like you aren't broken. And you aren't just a negative person. What you're likely experiencing is a chemistry problem. Specifically, your brain is likely running low on a little chemical called serotonin. Most people think happiness is a choice or a goal. But the success paradox teaches us that happiness is actually a physiological state. It's something your body does, not just something you think. Today, we're going to walk through the 7 signs your brain is low on serotonin. We're going to use simple human words to explain what's happening inside your head. And more importantly, I'm going to show you the 10-second habits and micro tricks that can start fixing it today. Before we get to the signs, let's talk about the 2 main players in your brain. Think of dopamine as the more molecule. It's the excitement you feel right before you buy something new, or that little hit you get when someone likes your photo on social media. It feels like a spark. But here's the secret. Dopamine is designed to disappear. It's a chase chemical. Serotonin is the opposite. It's the enough molecule. It's the feeling of peace, safety, and being satisfied with where you are right now. When your serotonin is high, you feel light. When it's low, you feel heavy. The problem is that most of us are stuck in a dopamine loop. We try to fix our sadness with more scrolling, more shopping, or more distractions. But all that does is fry our brain's receptors, leaving us even lower on serotonin than when we started. This is why nothing feels fun anymore. The 7 signs your brain is running on empty. Sign number 1. You snap at the small things. Irrational irritability. Have you ever dropped a spoon or missed a green light and felt like your whole day was ruined? Maybe you find yourself getting annoyed at your partner or your kids for things that shouldn't actually matter. This isn't because you're a mean person. It's because serotonin helps balance your emotions. When it's low, your emotional brakes aren't working. You're living in a state of survival mode, where everything feels like a threat. You aren't just cranky. Your brain is physically struggling to regulate your mood. Sign number 2. The fog that won't lift. Brain fog. Do you ever walk into a room and forget why you're there? Or do you sit at your desk staring at a screen, but the words just won't make sense? This is brain fog. When your brain is low on serotonin, it's like your internal processor is slowed down. You feel cloudy and disconnected. The sources mention a 7-minute routine specifically to remove this fog, because it's usually caused by a buildup of stress hormones that serotonin is supposed to keep in check. Sign number 3. The nighttime racing, overthinking at 2 a.m. This is a big one. You're exhausted all day, but the second your head hits the pillow, your brain decides it's time to review every mistake you've made since the 3rd grade. Low serotonin makes it hard for your brain to switch off. You get stuck in an anxiety spiral or a loop of negative thinking. This is why the sources suggest a 10-second habit specifically for overthinking at night, because you need a physical circuit breaker to stop the loop. Sign number 4. You feel heavy, the energy theft. Does it feel like you're walking through waist-deep water just to get through the day? This isn't just physical tiredness. It's a mental weight. There are 7 habits quietly stealing your energy every day, like checking your phone first thing in the morning or ignoring your natural sleep-wake cycle. When these habits drain you, your serotonin levels tank and your brain goes into low-power mode. You aren't just tired, you are biologically energy-starved. Sign number 5. You can't focus. Squirrel brain. If you find yourself jumping from one tab to another, checking your phone every 30 seconds, and never actually finishing a task, your serotonin might be low. Without serotonin to provide that steady feeling, your brain starts desperately looking for dopamine hits just to feel something. This is why you feel so scattered. You're trying to use distractions to fill a hole that only peace and focus, serotonin, can fill. Sign number 6. The comparison trap. Feeling lost. Do you look at other people's lives on social media and feel an immediate pit in your stomach? Do you feel like everyone else has it figured out while you're just making the one mistake that's making you feel lost? When your serotonin is high, you feel secure in yourself. When it's low, your brain becomes hypersensitive to social status. You start comparing your behind the scenes with everyone else's highlight reel, and it makes you feel like you're failing at life. Sign number 7. You wake up exhausted. The bad start loop. If you sleep for 8 hours, but wake up feeling like you haven't slept at all, that's a major sign. Serotonin is the precursor to melatonin, the sleep hormone. If you don't have enough serotonin during the day, you won't get deep, restorative sleep at night. You wake up with morning anxiety because your brain spent the whole night in a state of high stress instead of resting. Now that we know the signs, how do we fix it? The good news is that because of neuroplasticity, your brain is always changing. You can literally physically rewire your brain for happiness using tiny, simple actions. 1. The 15-second morning habit. Stop the 4 morning habits quietly destroying your happiness. The biggest one? Checking your phone before 8 a.m. This triggers an immediate adrenaline spike that burns through your serotonin before you even get out of bed. The fix. Spend just 15 seconds doing a morning reset. This could be a simple 30-second trick to calm morning anxiety, like a specific breathing pattern or looking at natural light. 2. The 10-second neural anchor. When you feel a negative thought loop starting, sign number 3, use a 10-second habit to instantly stop negative thinking. The fix. This is a brain trick where you use a physical anchor, like touching your desk or a specific word, to snap your brain out of the loop and back into the present. 3. The 8-second sleep trick. To fix sign number 7, you have to start the night before. The fix. Use the 8-second trick before sleep. For just 8 seconds before you drift off, visualize a feeling of instant happiness or peace. This primes your brain to produce the right chemicals while you sleep, so you wake up happy tomorrow. 4. The dopamine reset. If nothing feels fun anymore, sign number 5, you need a dopamine reset. The fix. This doesn't have to be a whole day. Even a 10-second dopamine reset or a 5-minute break from screens can help your receptors start to heal, making hard work feel easy again. Here is the most important part. This one habit will change your life in 5 years. That habit isn't trying to be happy. It is the habit of checking your brain chemistry. When you notice these 7 signs, don't judge yourself. Just say, okay, my brain is low on serotonin today. I need to do a 10-second reset. By using these 7 micro-habits that rewire your happiness, you are slowly building a brain that is immune to the afternoon slump and the midnight spiral. You are becoming the kind of person who is happy for no reason, because your biology supports it. Stop the habits that are quietly stealing your energy. Start the habits that scientifically boost your happiness. If you're ready to stop the 7 normal habits that are slowly destroying your brain, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. We release new brain tricks every week to help you live the life you actually want. Remember, happiness isn't a goal. It's a physiological state you can trigger in seconds. Which of these 7 signs did you notice in yourself today? Let me know in the comments, and let's start the rewiring together.